that looking at the astrological chart of someone, how can you make an assessment about the quality of that person's old age? So that's very simple. When we talk about the houses, you have to see first the 8th house, because 8th house is the house of your longevity, your chronic health issue, and the state of the body vitality in the old age. You have to see the 4th house, because 4th house tells about your emotions, your comforts, and your family environment. You have to see the 12th house, because 12th house tells about the hospitalization and detachment from the world. And you have to obviously see the 1st house, ascendant, for the body vitality. Now when we talk about the planets, beyond any doubt, you have to judge and see the planet Saturn. Saturn represents the old age. You have to see the moon, the state of someone's mind, emotions, feelings in the old age. You have to see the Jupiter, whether you will be supported by your children, by the society or not. Divine protection, some people become very spiritual in their old age. And you have to also see the Venus, so comforts, being looked after. So you have to give attention to the planet Saturn, to the planet Jupiter, to the planet Moon, to the planet Venus. Now guys, generally the combination is like, if you will see that Saturn is going to be strengthened with a matching well placed ascendant lord. So well placed Saturn, well placed ascendant lord generally tells about that the old age will be filled with honor, dignity and independence. If you will see that Ketu is placed in the 12th house, Jupiter is placed in the 4th house and 9th house, and the native will run after 60, after 70, you will run the time period of these planets. These people tend to become very like spiritual, very forgiving, very compassionate in their old age. And generally the problematic old age could be if Saturn is afflicted, ascendant lord is weak, moon is afflicted, then this can actually make someone slightly grumpy, and the person might have to deal with the health issue in the old age. So guys, in short, when we talk about a very spiritual old age, for that you will generally find Saturn to be well placed, ascendant lord to be well placed, along with that Ketu active in the 12th house in the dasha, or Jupiter active in the 4th or in the 9th house in the old age in the dasha. A materially comfort giving old age, for that if you will see that Moon, Venus, Jupiter are well placed in the Kendra Bhava and active in the dasha in the old age. And when we talk about the grief causing old age, for that you will find that ascendant lord is weak, moon is afflicted, Saturn is afflicted, and they are active in the old age.